Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Wayne, and this is my Jamaican dream house. So anyway, I was on my way to Kingston. I believe I was doing the speed limit, about 80 kilometer on the highway, because the speed goes up and down between 80 to 100. You just got to be careful because I don't know why they do it. It's like up and down, up and down, up and down. But anyway, I was cruising. I was doing like 80 kilometers. And I really don't think I was speeding, but officer pulled me over, stopped me and said I was speeding. So I got out of the car. The officer pulled me over and said I was speeding. I didn't really think I was speeding, so I said to him, officer, I wasn't speeding. You know, I couldn't tell him exactly what I was doing while I wasn't speeding, but I was on the phone with another friend of mine that raised goat. I was talking about goats. But anyway, he decided to run my license because I said I wasn't speeding. So because I challenged him, he ran my license, my foreign license, my Florida's license, and he found out I had a warrant out for my arrest. Oh God. I was like, no, this can't be real. Oh my God. So here it is. Never been locked up in my life, you know. I'm like, damn, imagine come all the way to Jamaica to get locked up down here. I don't think that'd be a nice thing at all, you know. So I was kind of nervous, you know. I was like, officer, please, I'll fix the problem. Just give me a chance to fix the problem. I didn't know about the warrant. But anyway, he let me go. Come to find out later on, technically he couldn't arrest me because there was no warrant. The warrant didn't leave the courthouse. And technically he couldn't do nothing about it. But you know what? I wasn't taking no chance because I like when I get pulled over. I like when I get stopped, because you get stopped in Jamaica a lot for no reason. You don't have to do nothing. You just get stopped. Random spot check. So I like when they do stop me, I could talk freely, not be coward or something like that, because you got this thing dangling over your head. You know, that's warrant. That's getting locked up for traffic infraction or not paying a ticket. That's crazy. So I'm like, you know what? Let me go take care of this. I got a court date, and I went all the way to St. Anne's Bay. I went to see the judge. The judge asked me if I was guilty. Said yes, you know. So she told me $4,000 or 10 days in jail. I was like, $4,000, ma'am. So I paid the $4,000, got back on my merry way and went home. But can you believe that? Can you believe that, people? Can you really believe that? To get locked up for a ticket. Wow. I mean, I don't know. And the funny thing is, when he pulled me over, I remember getting a ticket, but I did forget to pay it. But anyway, I think it worked out cheaper by me going to court. It cost me time and gas, of course, but I didn't pay the full amount. So, but I'm glad I had it taken care of, because right now I could drive with confidence, you know. Because during the time I was waiting for my court date, I was like, you know what, I was kind of scared to drive. I didn't want to go on the road as much. I was just doing everything not to get pulled over. Like I said, you can't avoid that because they do a lot of spot checks here in Jamaica. You know, they just put you on a line, just give you a random check and check your paperwork and send you on your merry way if everything is good. Yeah, so but it was really inconvenient for me to drive so far. It's like 2 hours and change both ways. It took me away from things I had to do. You know, I had to leave really early, got back late. You know, I have a responsibility I have to take care of. I have my animals to take care of and stuff. So it kind of set me back a little bit, but it took me away from that, you know. I felt like I could have been doing something more constructive with my time. But lesson learned, people. If you get a ticket, make sure you pay it. They're not playing down here. Not like one time where you get a ticket and they just get lost in the system somewhere. They're keeping track of all that now. Everything is being done electronically. So do yourself a favor. Get a ticket, pay it. Well, I'm finally home. Gonna have to do everything I was supposed to do earlier. Feed the pigs, feed the goats, and the chicken. But like I said, people, prevention is better than cure. Right now, I really wish I'd paid that ticket earlier. God, this was so inconvenient. By the way, I separate the weaners from the pigs. I worked on this yesterday to reinforce it. I have some piglets in there right now. In a little while, they're ready to go now. So they're ready for sale. Ready for sale. Let me see if I can see them. There they go. Ready to go. So yeah, took them off their mother. Took them off their mother. So now they're on pellets fully now. Also, I seal up underneath the goat pen, goat house. Yeah, this is the goat house. This is the goat pen right here. This is the goat house. Yeah, so I seal up underneath the goat house. I'm gonna order some layers and I'm gonna put them underneath there. Yeah, it's a big area. Let's see. So the dogs can't get to them. Yeah. So anyway, people, I'm trying. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and even share. Please comment. Make sure you comment and let me know what's going on. You know, chickens right here right now. They need to go inside. These guys are older. They're old. They're like, I don't think they're laying yet. I don't think they're still laying. If they are, This guy's eating all the egg. My little mongrel. Yeah. No. What you doing? So everybody's fed. There's two more over there, but I'm not going over there right now. Okay. So this is my rainwater catchment. All the water off the roof into the tank. Loving it.